I'm here at the Kemper Center at the Missouri Botanical Garden, and I wanted to check out the way they've got our Varden vertical gardens planted up for the fall. They got 3 sets of Varden stock: early spring, summer, heat, and then fall. And these guys will overwinter, most likely. It's incredible. You got to get here and check it out for yourself. Looks like they're watering just ever so slightly right now. This system has worked great over the years. It's been here for many years. Color, crazy good in here. This is probably the best fall wall in the Midwest I've ever seen. Looks like they're watering everything vertical right now. So, looks like we've got a little drip coming through on the edible wall here. Everything looks great. A lot of sage in there. Lots of herbs. We've got a few cherry tomatoes, even a few strawberries in there hiding.